Mike Onolememen arrived the Edo State Secretariat of the All Progressives Congress APC in Benin City amidst celebration from his supporters and political allies. The former Minister of Works immediately proceeded to tell the state executive of the party his mission to the Secretariat.
To the glory of God, I have come with my brothers and sisters to announce to you that I am on the move to flag off my campaign under your platform, the APC.
Mike Onolememen, who is an architect, said with the poor state of infrastructural development in Edo State, he has the capacity to rebrand the state with meaningful projects if given the opportunity to fly the APC flag in Edo State in the 2024 governorship election and become the eventual winner of the race.
Because if you look at the Edo of today, you can see that it has been eroded by so many poor, by so many poor activities and all that. But that is not Edo that we want. By the grace of God, if I have that ticket and win, we will see a new Edo State.
The aspirant architect Mike Onolememen is one of the brightest stars we have in this land.
I can vow for him that if this ticket is given to him, we are going to see a new Edo State.
The soft-spoken politician who hails from Edo Central Senatorial District said he has the blueprint on how to transform the state.
So, urban renewal is a must for Edo State, and as an architect, I know what I'm talking about. We need to renew our cities, and a whole lot of things are on the table. I can assure you it's going to be a good deal for Edo people. Competence and capacity is what brought me here. It is not about, it is my turn, no. And I want to assure people of Edo State that if I get this ticket and I become the governor of the state, they will see a new state with new infrastructure.
The Edo State governorship hopeful is among the several intending governorship aspirants on the platform of APC.